As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
Hey, I'm looking at these two propane grills, the Bighorn Outdoors Infrared Grill, B089Y1, HXSF, and the Royal Gourmet Tailgater Combo, B09F8T5, VYG. What do you think?
Oh yeah, I've seen those. Okay, so the Bighorn is all about super high heat, right? 1,500 degrees Fahrenheit? That's intense. The Royal Gourmet, it's more of an all-rounder.
Exactly. The Bighorn is like a steak searing machine. It boasts 19,000 BTUs, but the Royal Gourmet has 40,000 BTUs total across 4 burners. Is that better?
Well, it depends what you're after. The Royal Gourmet gives you a larger 430 square inches cooking area versus the Bighorn's smaller 143 square inches. Plus, it's a grill and griddle combo, giving you more versatility. Think pancakes, bacon, and then searing steaks.
True. The Bighorn focuses on that infrared searing, creating a caramelized crust. It's smaller though. Dimensions are 16 inches DX 21.5 inches WX 15.4 inches H, while the Royal Gourmet is larger at 39.96 DX 19.29 WX 11.02 H. Portability could be a factor.
Right, and the Royal Gourmet is designed for tailgating. They're both stainless steel, but the Royal Gourmet also uses ceramic-coated steel for the griddle and cast iron for the grates.
Okay. The Bighorn also has a 10-tier adjustable rack, which sounds handy. And it includes a pizza stone.
Yeah, but the Royal Gourmet has independent burner controls, which gives you more control over the cooking zones, and cleanup with the Royal Gourmet seems easy, with a drip tray and grease cup.
Okay, so Bighorn is specialized, high heat searing, smaller, and maybe easier to clean, since it's dishwasher safe. The Royal Gourmet is more versatile, larger cooking area, and better for different types of food.
Exactly. It really boils down to what you're planning to cook. If you're a steak fanatic, the Bighorn might be the way to go. If you need versatility for burgers, breakfast, and everything in between, the Royal Gourmet is probably the better bet. Plus, it's currently cheaper.
Good point. The Royal Gourmet is $179.99, while the Bighorn is $199.99. Thanks. This helps a lot. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.